Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically level up your friendship with a giant starting from 0. So many people are asking like, where did you get the cooking kit? Okay, so if you type in garden guide in your inventory, go to achievements and go to core plants and select explore. Under common achievements, if you complete these, you'll get the cooking kit, and these aren't super hard to do. You'll need to shovel 100 plants, harvest 200 carrots, give 1 carrot, sell 500 strawberries, and gift 5 strawberries. Then you'll get the cooking kit. It's going to be in your cosmetics. So I think what was misleading at first was I thought it was the cosmetics that you got from like this one, from the like first cooking event, but you actually had to get it. Then to level up faster, I did use a recipe that requires bone blossom, but you don't need to necessarily use that. I know some people do corn dog. You'll need one pine cone, one corn, and 1 pepper. But it didn't level up for me for some reasons. It only gave me like 6 points. But I just made the cake, which is 1 beanstalk, 1 banana, and 3 bone blossom. But yeah, it requires the bone blossom, unfortunately. But yeah, you're going to want to cook that here. So let me just do a little. Oh my gosh, I don't even have pepper right now in my inventory. Well, let's just throw stuff in there because I already finished the cooking thing. So like beanstalk and like, I don't know, prickly pear. And just cook here. Once you're done, you are going to go up the beanstalk and you're going to feed it to the giant. I have this, so I don't really need to do the beanstalk right now. So I can just show you where to go. Obviously, you're not going to want to go here. You're going to want to feed the beanstalk. But if you have a tall plant, you can go up your tall plant instead. And you're going to basically give the cooked food to the giant by pressing E later. I don't have any foods to show you guys, but I already maxed out my level, so the highest level is level 6. Oops, excuse me. As you can see, you still can give the giant foods. You just can't go to the shop here, as you can see. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.